And then she said,
will the Kia Tasman be able to challenge the Amarok? I've got some hot backing news for you. Kia is officially entering the tough South African bike market with their brand new Kia Tasman, and trust me, this one's already turning heads around the world. Kia South Africa's CEO Paul Turnbull says he's very excited about the upcoming Tasman and believes it could sell between 100 and 200 units a month. That's almost in the same league as the Volkswagen Amarok. Now, that's a bold goal considering how loyal South Africans are to their Hiluxes, Rangers, and D-Maxes. But Kia is ready to give it a proper bash. The Tasman has already launched in places like Australia and New Zealand, and Kia is planning to bring it to South Africa in the first half of 2026. So they've already got 2 units for testing. One's here and one's still on the water. So we are getting closer. Let's talk power. The Tasman is expected to come with a 2.2-liter turbo diesel engine pushing out 154 kilowatts and 441 newton meters of torque. There's also a 2.5-liter turbo petrol version in some markets that delivers 207 kilowatts. So performance definitely won't be a problem there. It's built on a strong body-on-frame platform, and the double cab measures 5.4 meters long, which actually makes it longer than the Ford Ranger. You are also getting best-in-class cargo space over 1,100 liters with a payload of 1.1 tons and a towing capacity of 3.5 tons. So yes, the Tasman means business. Now, Kia knows that breaking into the bike market in Mzansi isn't easy. I mean, Hilux, Ranger, Isuzu, these names run deep. But the Tasman brings something fresh, bold, and different, and it might just surprise a few people. So, what do you think? Will the Kia Tasman be able to challenge the Amarok and maybe take a piece of the Hilux and Ranger pie? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to follow Ntabi the Car Sales Lady for more car updates and reviews straight from Mzansi Roads. Until next time, drive safe and stay informed.